Welcome back everyone to our channel. If you're watching this, chances are your Windows 11 PC was working perfectly, and then after a recent update, everything started freezing. Apps stop responding, saving files to OneDrive or Dropbox hangs, and Outlook, when open, or emails keep re-downloading. That's incredibly frustrating, especially if you use your computer for work or school. So in this video, I'll walk you through a safe, official, and fully reversible fix for a Windows update called KB5074109. We're not using any third-party tools, no sketchy downloads, and no risky system changes, just the built-in Windows settings and Microsoft's own repair update. Just follow along on your screen, and by the end of this video, you'll either have your system fully stable again, or you'll know exactly how to roll back safely. So here's what's been happening for a lot of people. After installing this update, Windows starts having trouble when apps try to talk to cloud storage. That's why saving to OneDrive or Dropbox can make programs freeze. Outlook is especially sensitive if your email data file, called a PST, is stored inside OneDrive, and for some users, even remote desktop sign-in stop working. The good news is Microsoft has already released the official fixes. You just need to know exactly where to find them. So the first thing we're gonna do is to confirm that the update KB5074109 is there. All you have to do is click Start in the bottom left corner of your Windows PC. Now click Settings, then on the left side, click Windows Update. Then click on Update History. You'll find it along here. Now scroll down through the list of updates. You're looking for the one that says KB5074109. Just take a second here. If you see it, it means that you're dealing with the exact issue this video is designed to fix. And if you don't see it, that's okay. Your problem might be caused by something else, and this guide may not be applied for you. Now that we've confirmed the update, let's move on to the cleanest and safest solution, installing Microsoft official repair patch. This step fixes the root of the problem instead of just hiding the symptoms. Firstly, go back one screen to Windows Update. Click Check for Updates again. Now Windows will scan for new updates. What we're looking for is called KB5078127. Take a moment here. It may take a few seconds to appear. When you see the update, just click Download and Install. This update specifically fixes the cloud storage freezing issues and the Outlook PST problem caused by the previous update. Now, when Windows asks you to restart, just click Restart Now. Once your PC is back on, test the two most important things. Try saving a file to OneDrive or Dropbox, and try opening Outlook. For most people, this is the step that completely solves the problem. Now if everything feels smooth, you're basically done. But if your system is still freezing, don't worry, we have one more safe fallback. So this step temporarily removes the update that caused the issue. This is safe, and you can always reinstall updates later. So all you have to do is click Start. Go to Settings, then click on Windows Update. Tap on Windows Update History, then click on Uninstall Updates. Find the KB5074109, which is the main update of this video, in the list. Click Uninstall next to it, and Windows will remove the update and asks you to restart. After your PC restarts, your system should feel stable again. This update is related to security, so in a day or two, go back to Windows Update and install the newest available patch once Microsoft fully rolls out the fix. And before we wrap up the video, let me give you one quick bonus tip. If you use Outlook, make sure your PST file is stored in a local folder, not inside OneDrive. Keeping it local helps prevent freezes even after updates. So, if this video saved you time, stress, or a support call, let me know in the comments what actually broke for you: Outlook, OneDrive, Dropbox, or something else. I post simple, no-fluff Windows fixes like this every week, designed for real people, not IT pros. If you want to stay ahead of updates problems instead of reaching to them, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next fix.